What's up, everybody? Superfly back with another video. Since I wasn't really posting videos on New Year's, I want to say to you now, Happy New Year's, everybody. So today I'm gonna be showing you stuff that I made from scratch. It's camping. It's in the camping category. So I made like stuff that you need when you're camping. So I have some accessories that I made here. So first things first, I made this this fireplace. This like fire thing to cook the food that Mr. Bear brings. So you got it. So you would usually just, I just made this thing right here for like the wood, my paper wood. And then we have our hiker here. We have a survivalist, Mr. Bear. I won him from an amusement park. So, next up, what in the world would you do? Would you sleep on the floor? So, I'm really bad at sewing, but I'm working on it. So I put 4 cotton balls in this to make the pillow and then sew it up. Then this is actually his sleeping bag. Since I accidentally ripped it at the bottom so it won't because it didn't fit him, I just put another piece of this thing, of this fabric, whatever it's called. I don't even know. So, this is Mr. Bear's sleeping bag. And he doesn't sleep out in the wild. He actually sleeps right here in my tent. I know I still have the shoebox stuff on it. So, anyway, I even have a little window for the outside of it, so you can look outside when you wake up in the morning. And now it's like holding it up with a hanger. So moving on. Next up is the utensils. I haven't made the fork yet because I don't have the scissors. So here's the cup. Here's the bowl. And then I actually made a fishing rod with a fish already on it. Look at that. And then I have at least 2 more fish in there. And just so you know, this is all sticky because I didn't put anything around it so it can stop being so sticky. Okay. So that's all I have. But I'm going to show you guys, just so you know, I don't have a stand for this. So I might be using a selfie stick. I need to find a selfie stick. Those are my brother's wave brushes. And he even has a GoPro. I just need his selfie stick. He took the selfie stick. Wow. Anyways, I'm gonna be looking for scissors. I guess they took the scissors. Anyways, I got cup, a bowl, fish. Now we're gonna do a skit with Mr. Bear. Do boom, 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 boom. boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's begin. Let's start all the way to the tent. Okay. Okay. What a wonderful day. I need to make myself some breakfast. Okay. Time to start the fire. Just light the fire. Here it is. Coming out of the top. Okay. Let's go fishing. Gotta pick up my fishing rod. And now you're gonna and nobody saw it. Okay. I think I feel a fish. Yes. Yes. A fish. Just for breakfast. Okay. Now that I have this fish, we're gonna make... Okay, we're gonna take this off. Oh my god. Get... Oh no. Gotta take this off the hook. Take this. I actually took time and made the hook. Okay, this is the fishy. And time to take off the hooky. Okay. Ooh. Just take off the fish. There we go. See this fish? The fish has to come off. And he's gonna come off just like so. Like that. And you take off the tape from the peeling corner. There. Got the fish. Now we're gonna take off all the scales. Okay, now that the fire's going, hold on, it's coming out. Let me show you what's happening here. Can you see this? I don't even know if you guys can see this. Okay. Okay, it's going. Oh no. Oh, hot. Okay. We're gonna settle this down over here. Ow. This is burning Mr. Bear. Okay. We laid down the logs in this thing like that. So, now he can put his fish on the wood and make it cook. Okay, he's getting his stuff ready to eat. He already has his drink here. Three minutes later. Okay. I'm getting the fish out. Yes. Okay. We're gonna get ourselves the mat from inside the box. I know, this is a canvas. Okay, anyways. This is gonna be our mat for today. Okay. Here's our mat. Here's our fish. Get ready to eat. And You just spit out the bones. That was delightful. Now I think I need a drink. So let's bring over the cup. All in a day's work. I'm full. Whew. I'm really full. I'm tired. I'm gonna go and bring over my tent. Oh no, I fell. Okay, bring over my tent, my sleeping bag. Okay, I got my tent here. It's a really reliable tent. So now I'm gonna get inside my sleeping bag. Okay, set up my tent. Okay, this is not open. Okay, let's fix this tent over here because it's not cooperating with me. Okay, we get it like that, then oh god. Okay, this tent is really hard to make right now. Come on. Why you keep doing this? Jesus. Now, I'm gonna turn this around. I'm struggling so much with this. This model is not gonna be sold. Okay, whatever. I don't care. Okay. Now that you see the window, we're gonna get all of this out of here. Oh no, I almost forgot. I had to put out the fire. Okay, now I'm gonna get my sleeping bag. Put Mr. Bear in here. Okay, here we go. We're gonna put Mr. Bear inside his sleeping bag. Why? Okay, oh boy. I know exactly what to do. Yes. Okay, this wasn't good, and I still used it. Okay. Got it. Okay. Okay, this is sort of working now. Okay. He's trying to sleep, so he's gonna get the zip tie on him because he likes being close to things, you know. So we're gonna zip tie this back up. This Okay, gotta turn him a little bit to the over here. Okay, he's in a sleeping bag, And now you're gonna see him inside the tent. He's tired. He's taking a nap. See, as you can see, he's taking a nap. I need to make this high. There you go. So, now, 2 hours later. He's awake, ready for lunch. I really don't care about that stupid old tent. Okay. The sleeping bag back in there. Gotta fix the tent. Gotta fix the tent. I should tape this thing. Should tape it. If not, guys, he's gonna fix this tent. So, he's gonna get some tape. Duct tape. Okay. He's got the duct tape. Now he's going to fix it one by one. He's going to tape this part on here like so. Okay. Okay. Okay, now, let's turn this around and see how it is. Okay, now he's going to try and tape this. Okay, that one. Yeah, we're gonna use some heavy-duty tape. Ow. Okay. Okay. We're going to tape this up here so it can really feel like a tent. Okay, stupid tape. Okay, let's get this tape in the right position. Okay. Now we're gonna tape it like so. And then we're going to tape it up just like that. Okay, he fixed the tent's problem. But the one thing he needs to fix is the top. Okay, so he's gonna take another strip of tape. This is just gonna fix the tent problem. Here we go. And tape it. Hold on. Okay. He fixed the tent problem. Now, he's just going to do some exercise. Okay, push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Whew. That was a workout. Now, we're going to do some squats. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I'm going to take a rest. Huh. Yes, I brush my teeth. Okay. Okay, now. He has a ramp. What? That means he has a skateboard. So, now, he is going to do some tricks. I'm going to show Mr. Bear some tricks that I naturally learned. Sort of. Anyway, I'm not really good at this, but I'll just, there, and then you have spinaroo, yeah, and then you have the best trick ever. I don't think you're seeing this at all.
They're in it fine inside it.
Okay, oh no. Okay, we'll move the tent out of the way so you can see this now. Like, bam. Just tick-tacking. Just tick-tacking. Tick-tacking. Just tick-tacking. Tick. Now, we're gonna do a front flip. Okay, we're gonna try and do a back flip. Okay, here we go. Okay, blind it. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked my video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and press the post notifications so you know when I'm posting my next video. Stay beautiful, handsome if you're a boy, and stay in school. Don't do drugs. Peace. Wait a second. Wait a second. Peace.